Hello friend, welcome to 5 Best Tools Review. On this video we are reviewing the top 5 best water heaters. We made the list based on around opinion research and customer reviews, and all those products are top selling. Water heaters are essential appliances in modern homes, providing a continuous supply of hot water for various household needs, from bathing and cooking to cleaning and laundry. These devices come in different types, sizes, and technologies, offering solutions tailored to diverse requirements. Whether powered by electricity, gas, or solar energy, water heaters enhance comfort and convenience, ensuring that hot water is available on demand. With advancements in energy efficiency and smart technology, choosing the right water heater can result in significant savings on utility bills, while reducing environmental impact. Number 5. Lalahoo water heaters. The Lalahoo water heater is an efficient and powerful water heating solution, with a blend of modern features and safety protections. With a sleek black design, it is compact in size, 12.3 watts x 17.3 H, making it a great fit for homes with limited space, without sacrificing heating power. Weighing 17.6 pounds, it's easy to install and handle. One of the standout features is its 18 kW wattage, which ensures rapid heating. The unit is built with a mix of bronze, plastic, and metal, giving it a sturdy and durable feel. Safety is clearly a priority, as it includes multiple layers of protection, such as dry combustion protection, overheat protection, high water pressure protection, and low water flow protection. These features give peace of mind when using the heater daily, as it minimizes risks and ensures reliable operation. Though powered by AC, the water heater's efficiency is notable, as it delivers a steady hot water flow, even under high water pressure. The design is lightweight yet robust, making it suitable for a variety of environments. Number 4. Xyfg water heaters. The Xyfg water heater offers a functional solution for households seeking a compact and efficient water heating system. With a power output of 3000 W, it delivers hot water quickly, making it ideal for fast showers and small water heating tasks. The AC power source ensures a reliable energy supply, which is great for consistent operation. Its certifications, C and RoHS, indicate that it meets safety and environmental standards. While its power and efficiency are commendable, there are some concerns. The brand name No Name Null suggests a lack of brand transparency or recognition, which may raise questions about its durability and customer support. Additionally, the product description mentions high concern chemical. None, which is a positive sign for safety, but also an odd phrasing that could be clear. The heater is manufactured in mainland China, and though it's certified, it might lack the brand backing that other established water heater brands offer. That said, it is well suited for basic needs if you're on a budget or looking for a straightforward heater. Number 3. VEVOR water heaters. This water heater has a C certification, ensuring it meets European safety standards. The design also includes a balanced-type smoke extraction system that minimizes any concerns about smoke or gas buildup during operation, adding peace of mind for users. The rubber gas hose with a diameter of 20 mm is sturdy, ensuring a reliable connection to your gas source. The standout feature of this water heater is its ability to deliver instant hot water on demand, without the need for a storage tank. With a water production rate that ranges from 6 to 18 liters per minute, it caters to various household sizes and needs. The 24 kilowatts power ensures quick heating, while the balanced smoke extraction method contributes to safety and effectiveness. It operates on a low minimum water pressure of 0.02 MPa, making it suitable even in areas with less than ideal water pressure. The maximum allowable pressure of 0.8 MPa provides flexibility for those with higher pressure systems. Number 2. ATWFS water heaters. One of the first things you'll notice is its sleek vertical design, which makes it ideal for small spaces. The water heater is freestanding, allowing for flexibility in installation, and its compact form is perfect for bathrooms with limited room. The touch control panel offers a modern and user-friendly interface, allowing you to adjust the settings easily, adding a touch of sophistication. The ATWFS water heater boasts grade 1 energy efficiency, ensuring that it operates with minimal energy consumption. This is particularly impressive given its power range of 2100 to 5000 W, which allows for quick heating without excessive electricity usage. The instant heating function eliminates the need for a storage tank, providing hot water on demand, and reducing both energy waste and waiting time. With a capacity of 55 liters, this water heater is well suited for regular home use, offering sufficient hot water for showers and daily needs. The 220 V voltage is standard, making it compatible with most residential power systems. The C certification ensures that it meets high safety and performance standards, giving users peace of mind. Number 1. Xyfg water heaters. The vertical, wall-mounted design of the Xyfg water heater is perfect for homes with limited space, offering a compact and sleek solution that doesn't compromise on performance. The remote control feature adds convenience, allowing you to operate the heater from a distance without the need to physically interact with the unit, making it highly user-friendly. This water heater delivers in terms of energy efficiency, earning a grade 1 rating, meaning it operates with minimal energy consumption, despite its high power capabilities. With options of 3000 W or 5500 W, it provides rapid heating, delivering hot water instantly, which is a huge benefit in terms of energy savings and convenience. Plus, since it's tankless, there's no need to worry about storing hot water, or wasting energy on keeping it warm. Water is heated only when you need it. The heater can operate on either 110V or 220V, which makes it versatile and suitable for various electrical systems. This flexibility ensures that it's compatible with a wide range of households without the need for extensive electrical upgrades. Thank you guys for watching this video. Check the description box and click for all the information about those products. Please subscribe my channel for more update.